If you want to learn how to use macros in Microsoft Excel to speed up repetitive tasks, this video tutorial will help you get off and running with Excel macros. But before you can access the macros, you need to have the Developer tab to record macros. In doing so, open the Microsoft Excel, right-click on an empty space in the ribbon, and select the option Customize the ribbon. On the window, under the Main tabs, check the Developer box, then select OK. Now in order to record a macro, select the Developer tab, choose Record Macro, provide a name for your macro. You can also give it a shortcut key if you wish, and you have to choose where to store the macro. After doing that, you have to select OK. Next, you have to perform the keystrokes and the mouse clicks that you would like for your macro to perform. And your steps will now be recorded. But when you're ready to stop recording, click the last cell, then select the option Stop Recording. But in order to use the macro, all you have to do is select the Developer tab again, then choose Macros, select the macro you wish to use, then select Run. So that's how you can install and use the macro in the Microsoft Excel. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.